So WordPress.org added this live preview feature to plugins recently. It's an opt-in thing that you go to advanced view, and then under the toggle live preview section, you enable it. Now, in order for that to work, you actually need to have a JSON file added to the repo under the assets folder. WordPress.org decided to time out at this very point in recording, so I have to go to my repo instead. So this is a blueprints directory under the assets folder in the SVN. Now there's official documentation for what the content should be of this, but unfortunately, this is a bit of out of date. So that schema has been updated recently. So what you can do instead is there is this schema JSON feature that WordPress embraces and uses. It is a schema definition for how that JSON document should look like. This has been published not only for the blueprints, but also for the theme.json, the block.json, all those things. So if you add this to your JSON file and then enable the schema JSON, either extension or just in VS Code, I believe it works out of the box, you get the linting and autocomplete on the field values and field elements. I have this JSON file that's added there. All it does is it explains or tells the playground which version of PHP to install, and that we want the latest version of WordPress. And then it gives us steps to execute, right? So I log in. I have a dependency for this plugin, so I install the Contact Form 7 plugin. I activate it as well. Then I do install my own plugin. Now, once that has been done, then you go and enable it under the plugin controls, and then you have this live preview feature. Let me show you how that works. This is now running it through these steps. You can see that it's downloading those. Now you notice there that the landing page was actually hard-coded to a post ID. So this is something you have to experiment with to figure that out. In order to kind of test this blueprint.json, right, without committing it to your SVN repository, you can actually do the following. I've added a script to my grunt file. So hello grunt from 10 years ago or something. I'm parsing this JSON file and then creating a URL encoded JSON string appended to this playground WordPress.net URL. Then it gives you the test URL that you can play with and verify that the blueprint.json is working. So let me show you how it works. So I have this npm helper script under the package.json blueprint, which runs that grunt command. Now if I do that, it prints it out and my code editor is actually highlighting it, making it a link so I can open it up. And there you go. So this is kind of pre-configured JSON file extracted from the plugin behind the scenes. This is your ability to test things, including that post ID reference that I was talking about. I hope you found this useful and hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.